everybody? Hope you guys are having a good day. So today we're installing a truck rack, like a ladder rack. So it looks exactly like that, like your average ladder rack, but we're gonna make it custom. So we're gonna start by building it. That's the first step. I got this from Princess Auto for $200, guys, brand new, which is Princess Auto is equivalent to Harbor Freight if you're in the States. So crazy deal, guys, for the whole ladder rack. Like my dad paid $500 a week before and I got it for $200. So I couldn't pass it up, but let's get to building it, guys. Pop this guy off here, see what we got. Okay, there she goes. All right, lids off. First we got their instructions, which is really important. See boxes, stuff everywhere. So let's get all this stuff out of the box and then it should be easier to build. All right, guys, so here's every piece laid out. Should be pretty straightforward. There's not that many bolts, honestly. So these are obviously to clamp the whole thing down after it's complete. And then we just got a bunch of bolts, different sizes. They all have labels on them, which is nice. And we got our instructions. So let's see what it says to do first. So step 1, constructing the front section of the rack. So we need the cab bar. And then that guy, okay, pretty simple there. All right, let's do that first step, see how it looks. So now we're at this shape. And keep in mind, guys, that it all varies on your truck. And like it's really, there's a lot of options on how you can do this. I'm just gonna throw that there for now. I'm not gonna bolt anything. And then we got that one, which we need to put in the middle-ish there. So that's gonna be the part for like the legs that go down. All right, so we got it to here now. We got our bolts in, not tight, any of them. Just follow what the book says about these bolts. So there's only 2 of these bolts. They go here. There's 8 of those, and those are what pinches those together whenever you wanna tighten them. Now we're moving on to this guy. We gotta put this guy under, those are like the legs, as you can see here. So when you're all done, you should have the front like that, and that like that. So we're trying to get that done still. Just the legs now. Kinda hard to see how this is actually mounted here. I'm trying to figure it out. But I think it's just wherever you want, right? Because it's universal. So as you can see, wherever you pinch it, wherever you crank those 2 tight is where it'll be, right? You can put it anywhere on here to fit your truck. So it's really cool. That's why I went with this. $200, perfect base for like a sick rack build. So I'm gonna keep going, put those legs on. We should be done with the front here. All right, guys, front is ready. Now the 4 big bolts. So for the front, you only use the 1 bag here. So everything's in there. You got 2 of those rivet looking bolts. Those go there. The 4 big ones connect these 2 together on each side. And then you got 8, I believe, small ones. Yeah, 4 on each side. So 3, and then 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, all on each side. And then you got your front piece. Now, you can move those anywhere. You can move that anywhere, which I'll move all that once it's on the truck. I think that's the best way to go about that. Tighten it a little so it's not as flimsy, but it's good to stay like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it to the front, and then we'll start the back. Okay guys, back half, really easy. You got your piece, it turns down essentially. And then you slide this guy on first, the dual pronger. These go to the inside. You slide it's the end cap. You can see there's like a cap on it. So you just put your bolt through there, that'll bolt in. And then you run your big bolts again, 4 big bolts go through here. Your 4 little medium bolts go through there. And then you got 4 of these bolts, and there's only 2 washers. So the washers go on this guy, and then these guys go straight in with no nut. Pop it together, and then use that plate right there, and then that will be what holds it together. With bolt package 3, it's really easy instructions to follow, guys. Bolt 3 right there, and we'll get into that. All right, guys, so we went ahead and connected it all. There it is, guys. So this will probably have to be moved forward for sure. Let's get it to the back of my box, but that's the general look. Now the almost last step, because the very last step's obviously tightening everything, but I gotta get it on the truck to do that. So let's put the feet on. Very easy. They just go on like this. So left side of the rig, you want to have this part going into your bed, not to the outside, because then it won't fit. So that goes in. Be pretty simple. All right, guys, it's all ready to be thrown on. We'll throw it on nice and loose, and that should be good. I think that's the way to do it. Like I said, this guy's gonna move up a bit, but we'll throw it on, see how it goes. Hey guys, so we're completely done with the rack build. As you can see, looking good. Now, it is pretty sturdy, gotta admit. So I got one J-clamp that it comes with. You can see no movement after it's fully tightened, obviously. And I think it looks so cool. I can't wait to start customizing it. But yeah, you can definitely like put a rooftop tent on it for sure. Like I was standing on it yesterday. It's all the way at the front when I was standing on. So this thing is awesome for 200 bucks, guys. Like this thing's insane. And it's like so easy to set up. Anybody can do it. And the one thing I was gonna point out is when you do this one, make sure this is on the outside. You see, because if it's on the other side, this can't get on that angle. So you wanna make sure that's, everything else doesn't really matter. I think it looks awesome though. Let me know what you guys think. 200 bucks, can't beat that, that's for sure. Considering I was gonna get a roof rack, and that would have been like 500 for roof racks for this truck. So this is way better in my opinion, lots more room. All right guys, so the first attachment to the roof rack is gonna be these traction pads. I got them off Amazon, 70 bucks, came in the next day. I didn't need them, but that's awesome. So links below for that. Haven't used them because I just got them, but we're gonna attach them, I think, up there. I just got a bunch of ratchet straps, so we're gonna attach them up there. And then I wanna put my spare up here. I also have the fire extinguisher coming. So we're going full overland, guys. It's gonna be so cool. Hey guys, so we were able to get that stuff up there. We got the spare and the plastic traction pads. All up there nice. Nice as possible. They're all really secured, so we don't have to worry about that. So yeah, I mean, it took a little bit thinking of the spare tire. I got it really tight, so it's not moving anywhere. The next thing, we got the extinguisher pouch. So I'm gonna throw it on the rack, and then we'll throw the extinguisher in it. Okay guys, so I finally got it on. Took actually a long time because these were too long, the straps. I'd pull them tight and they were just way too long. And the sticky part was like out here, and it was like that, yeah. This is too small for the one I bought. It has to be bigger. It's for a Jeep, but made it work. Slowly getting there, guys. This is so cool. A little play, but that's like to be expected. It's got, it's strapped in there really good. There's not going anywhere. I just threw that extra guy there just so it doesn't hit the metal and make noises, but that's good. Now we still want the awning. That's one, the awning and the high lift jack, axe, shovel, that type of stuff, all on the rack, because that's why I bought it. I bought it for extra storage room. I don't want anything in my bed if possible. We're gonna throw the toolbox that way back to normal because the spare is on the roof. I'm gonna go test drive this, make sure this isn't rattling or falling out or anything. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'll show you the awning, the high lift, axe, shovel, all that stuff when it finally comes. I haven't ordered any of it yet, so it's gonna be a little while, but thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely pick this rack up if you're looking, even just for work. Pick it up. 200 bucks, Princess Auto. Awesome deal. They ship. I got it shipped here to my house for $220. Oh no, actually I had to pick it up, but it was gonna come to my house, but I couldn't be there. You have to be at the door so you can sign it. But yeah guys, there it is. So cool. I love this truck. It's come such a far way from stock. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hit the sub button. Car Fleet, baby.